Most people get this wrong. They assume payday advance apps like PayActive are just risky, but the surprising truth is that they can provide real short-term financial relief if used carefully. PayActive allows users to access earned wages before payday, which can be a lifesaver for unexpected bills, groceries, or emergencies. You won't believe what happens next. You can even set up automatic paycheck advances or manage cash flow directly through the app without traditional banks. Signing up is simple if your employer partners with PayActive. Once approved, you can request funds up to a certain limit, usually a percentage of your earned wages. There are fees, typically under $5 per advance, which is much lower than traditional payday loans that charge 300% APR or more. However, caution is key. Using advances repeatedly can create a cycle of dependency, and not all employers support the service. Additionally, the app's overdraft protections are limited, so if you overextend, you could face financial stress. In conclusion, PayActive is a legitimate option for employees needing small, short-term advances on earned wages. It's best used occasionally for emergencies, not as a regular borrowing strategy. Responsible use can make it a helpful financial tool, but abuse can lead to more stress than relief. Subscribe for more honest financial service reviews to help you manage your money safely.